Have you seen the Fendi Spring Summer 25 collection? Did you really think I wasn't going to buy anything? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and you'll know when I upload a new video. I have an unboxing for you. Have you seen the Fendi Spring Summer 25 collection? Did you really think I wasn't going to buy anything? Here it is. Yes, I saw the collection online in January. It kind of dropped online to pre-order. And immediately I saw a couple of pieces that I really liked. Now I wasn't going to pre-order them because they weren't limited edition and I didn't really see any point in pre-ordering them, but I did message my lovely sales associate Valentina from Fendi in Harrods, and I said to her, I'm interested in these pieces, can you let me know when they are in the boutique? She messaged back straight away and she said, I've actually got one of them here already, and she sent me a video of it and showing me it, and I thought, yes, it is absolutely lovely. And then the other item, she said, yeah, that will be arriving very soon, and again within a few days she sent me pictures of that. So I said yes, definitely interested in them. Can't get to the boutique in January, just far too busy. Hopefully I can come up for a visit in February. So the plan was to go to the boutique in February. There was also a plan to potentially meet up with my good friend Gwenny from Styled by Gwenny, because if you follow her channel you'll know that she has ordered and is awaiting on a Murakami piece from Louis Vuitton, and we were hoping to go to Harrods together. She could pick up her piece and I could look at the Fendi items. So you're going to have to check out Gwenny's channel if you haven't already to see whether she actually does get her Murakami piece. Anyway, unfortunately, due to Gwenny's commitments, due to some issues here I've got at home, we just couldn't do it. I can't easily get to the boutique at the moment and we just couldn't coordinate that trip. So Gwenny, I'm really missing you, and I'm really hoping that very soon we can get out together and have some more luxury shenanigans up in Harrods. I'm really hoping it won't be too long. So in the meantime, one of the items that I discussed with Valentina, I said, I definitely, absolutely want, can I order it from you and you send it to me? And of course she said yes. The other item, I said I really would still like to see it in person, so I'm going to have to just see. I may be able to get up there in the next couple of weeks. It might have to be a very quick flying visit there and back, or I might have to just take the chance and order it and have it sent. I know I can return it if I don't like it, but I just don't want the hassle of doing that and the stress of returning it and hoping it gets back there okay. So I'm going to try my best to maybe fly up there in a couple of weeks. I don't mean literally fly, I will be going on the train, but I mean manage a trip where I can just get there and back very quickly to have a look and potentially pick up my other item. But I have this item, so let's unbox. Now I messaged Valentina on a Saturday, ordered it, paid for it on the Saturday. Monday morning it arrived, so you can't ask better than that. Absolutely brilliant service. Today is Tuesday, so it's been sitting there overnight. I haven't unboxed it, I've resisted, so that I can unbox it here on my channel for you. So let's get into it. There we go. Now I've undone that bit. I need to do the tape at the end there. Let's get the other one. There we go. Very well packaged. There we are. Right. And Harrods. Inside we have all the packaging, and there is a box in there, and Valentina always kindly puts a bag in for me. So let's get rid of that box, and we have here. Now I'm sure you can see what type of box this is. I've been calling this an item. Obviously, as you can see from the box, it is a pair of items. There we go. We have, I'm assuming, what is my receipt in there, all the gubbins. So let's get into it. Can you guess what these are? If you've seen the collection, you could probably take a very educated guess at what these are. There's 2 dust bags in there, so yes, we know they're a pair of shoes. What shoes are they? Well, again, if you know me, you can probably guess what type of shoes they are. What colour are they? Again, if you know me well, you can probably guess what colour they are if you've seen the collection. Here they are in their little plastic bags. And here we go. Oh my goodness, this is the first time I'm seeing these in person. These are the Fendi Colibris with the low heel, the kitten heel in the green. Oh my goodness, look at this green, it's gorgeous. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing this. This is a stunning green. Okay, I like green. Yeah, I'm still on the green train. Let's get the other one out. Let's get the paper out. Oh, there's so much paper and stuffing in these. Right. Oh my goodness, there you go. Can you see those? They are my Fendi Colibris. Yeah, oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I love this green. If I can, I will do some mod shots. I deliberately wore this blouse because I knew that this would complement these particular shoes. I've seen this green obviously online and I thought it looked amazing, and yeah, as soon as I saw that they had a pair of the low-heeled Colibris in this green, I was like adamant that I wanted to get them. I am going to say one thing, it's a little bit of a shame that they just do the low heel in the kitten heels now, they don't do it in the chunkier heel. It is my understanding, I don't know for sure, that they've potentially discontinued the chunky heel in the low heel Colibris and they only do it in the higher heel. As I say, I think that's the case because the last few releases they've only had the low heels in this kitten heel. I obviously got the burgundy ones that came out for I think autumn winter 24 and that was the same situation, but I can wear these. I'm okay with these kitten heels. I do prefer the chunkier heel, but I am okay with these kitten heels. These are in a size 39. They hopefully will fit me. Usually in this style I do take 39, so I'm going to try them on in a minute and hope that they do fit me. But yeah, I'm so thrilled with these. Yeah, the green is lovely. So yes, this is my first Fendi unboxing of 2025, and I say first because you know there's going to be more. There's going to be more Fendi items in 2025, of course there will be. So yeah, let me know what you think to my lovely new green shoes. Yeah, I think I have a problem. This is number 12, so I actually have 11 pairs of Colibri shoes and 1 pair of Colibri boots. So as I say, I have 1 pair of boots. I have, let me think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of lower heeled Colibris like this. So that's 8. And I have, yeah, 4 pairs of higher heeled Colibris. So that makes 12. So yeah, this is pair number 12. So I think I have a bit of a problem. Having said that, I do wear my Colibris, they are my favourite shoes, I do wear them a lot. So yeah, so you know, I'm very happy with these. This colour is stunning. I don't know if it's coming across on camera that brilliantly, but it is a really stunning green. I did get my trusty Chanel wallet on chain out again, my first green item that I bought last year, and again, there's a good match there. So I have yet another pair of shoes that go with my Chanel wallet on chain in the green. Yeah, so from initially struggling to find a pair of shoes that kind of went with that wallet on chain, I've now got 3 pairs of shoes that go with it. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, because there very much could be another Fendi Spring Summer 25 unboxing on my channel coming soon as I can get to see this other item that I'm interested in. You might like to guess down in the comments what the other item is, but I will neither confirm or deny so that the unboxing is still a surprise. Thank you everyone ever so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye everyone.